Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Instagram to Whop. So all you have to do is head over to whop.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. In the new tab, also prepare to have your Instagram account URL. Then back to Whop, just click on Profile, then click on Connected Accounts. From the list of apps, just choose Instagram. Then just copy your Instagram account URL by pressing on Ctrl plus C, then paste it by pressing on Ctrl plus V. Then once done, just click on Add. You will be asked to verify your account and all you have to do is follow the process or the steps. First is copy this verification code by clicking on this link or this icon. Then go to your Instagram profile, add verification code, then to verify your account, just click on verify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!